Hey, if you've ever wondered how people are making money online without showing their face, without building a website, and without spending hours editing videos, today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving into faceless affiliate marketing on Pinterest, and I'll show you how you can do it step by step using a powerful tool called Super Affiliate AI. Now, Pinterest isn't just for recipes and DIY projects anymore. It's one of the most underrated platforms for affiliate marketing. Why? Because people go to Pinterest with intent. They're searching for ideas, products, and solutions. That means they're already buyers in discovery mode. And when you combine that traffic with faceless automation, you've got a recipe for commissions without the stress. Here's the challenge most beginners face. They think they need a blog or website to promote affiliate products. They believe they need design skills to make pins that actually get clicks. And they assume they need to spend hours writing reviews or filming themselves on camera. But the truth is, you don't need any of that. With the right system, you can run faceless affiliate campaigns on Pinterest that drive traffic straight to your affiliate links. No website required. This is where Super Affiliate AI comes in. It's not just another AI video tool. It's a complete channel-in-a-box system that automates product discovery, review scripting, faceless video creation, thumbnails, SEO optimization, and publishing across multiple platforms. And yes, you can repurpose that same content for Pinterest pins that link directly to your affiliate offers. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours designing pins or writing blog posts, you let Super Affiliate AI generate faceless review videos, thumbnails, and even SEO-friendly descriptions. You then upload those visuals to Pinterest, add your affiliate link, and watch the traffic flow in. Let me walk you through how to do faceless affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a website using Super Affiliate AI. Step 1. Find hot products. Super Affiliate AI scans marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus to find trending products. You can paste any sales page URL, and the AI will break down the features, pricing, and target audience. That means you're always promoting offers with real demand. Step 2. Generate review content. The AI creates dual voice scripts, faceless videos, and thumbnails automatically. You don't need to film yourself or hire editors. These assets are perfect for repurposing into Pinterest pins, eye-catching visuals that stop the scroll. Step 3. Publish across platforms. From one dashboard, you can push your videos to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and yes, Pinterest. Each pin can include your affiliate link or a link to a mini review hub page created by the AI. No website needed. Step 4. Drive traffic and earn commissions. Pinterest users click on pins because they're curious. When they land on your faceless review video or mini site, they see honest product breakdowns, and that's where the conversions happen. The AI even handles link tracking and cloaking so you can measure performance. Here's the exciting part. Faceless affiliate channels are already pulling in thousands of dollars a month. Ordinary people, truck drivers, college students, stay-at-home parents are using systems like this to publish content daily without ever being on camera. And Pinterest is a goldmine because pins don't disappear. They keep driving traffic for months, even years. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start affiliate marketing, this is it. Pinterest gives you evergreen traffic. Super Affiliate AI gives you faceless automation. Put them together, and you've got a business that runs while you sleep. Don't waste time trying to build a website or struggling with design tools. Let the AI handle the heavy lifting and focus on choosing the niches and products you want to promote. If you're ready to start faceless affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a website, check out Super Affiliate AI today. Connect your channels, turn on auto mode, and let the agents do the work. All right. That's it for today's video. I hope this opened your eyes to how simple faceless affiliate marketing can be when you use the right tools. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more strategies, and drop a comment below telling me which niche you'd love to start with on Pinterest. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.